Okay, so finally we created a website. Now let's learn about the basics of SEO so we can rank our website on Google. So first of all, we need to install some plugin. Okay, so that plugin is you can install the SEO plugin is like Yoast SEO, or you can install the rank math. So if you prefer the Yoast SEO, okay, so how we can do this? So simply in the left side, you will see here the option of plugin. Click on it, click on the add plugin, and just search here the Yoast SEO. Okay, and you will see the option of plugin, and this is the Yoast SEO. Just click on install now, and you can see this plugin have the 10 million plus installation, and just activate this. Cool, fantastic, right? So click on the Yoast SEO. Okay, you just need to fill some details, like you can see the content if post is good. You can see like this. Let's go to the first time configuration and start the SEO data optimization, and just click on the continue now, continue, and that will automatically get everything. You can see that does represent organization, so no, yes, organization. The website name in the coding bus, organization in the coding bus. You can add the logo here. So suppose my logo is this one, so add the logo like this here, save and continue. You can add your email ID here, save and continue. And the personal preference, you can add the email ID or you can just leave it. Okay, so save and continue, and this is finished. So go to your SEO dashboard. Cool. So we configured the Yoast plugin here for all website. But if you want to target the keywords for a particular post, so it's very easy. Go to the post. Suppose I created this post. Click on edit. Okay, and scroll down and you'll see here the SEO. It's look like a red. Okay, so we need to add some focus keywords. So we can add the focus keyword. Suppose this is related to the how to stay consistent on social media. So I'm going to just copy this and add that keyword here like this. Okay, you can add the title, you can add the meta description like this here. And there are a lot of things you can do. There are a lot of things to learn in the SEO, but this is the basics SEO thing you can do for your website. Okay, we have set up the Yoast SEO plugin and we have done the SEO for one post. Okay, so you can do for your pages and other posts also.